What's up guys, I am back with a new 2023 projector from Salange with a model name P92H. This is actually a budget projector, but it has very good features such as 1080p native resolution, 4K support, 12,000 lux brightness, dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. Without further ado, let's begin our full review of the Salange P92H projector. First, let's do an unboxing, because the projector comes with some useful accessories. In fact, you can see what's inside the box without opening it, because the contents list is on the side of the box. And the last two things are the most interesting to me. Inside the box, we really have a 100-inch projector screen. It looks like it is not a simple white screen, but a reflective one. That's very good. Another useful accessory in the box is a tripod. I really like when budget projectors come with screens, tripods, and sometimes even bags. However, Salange P92H projector doesn't have a bag in the package. It is no big deal. There is also a remote control, HDMI cable, AV cable, and power cable in the box. Among the documents are the user manual, video and text operation guides, and a warranty card. Finally, we have a projector. So when you buy the new Salange projector, you will get everything you need to create a home theater. Now, let's take a closer look at the projector itself. First, Salange P92H is a compact projector. Its size is 210 by 155 by 80 mm. The weight is 90 grams. You know, it looks like a portable projector because you can easily move it from one room to another, but you still need to plug it into power because the projector has no built-in battery. The new Salange projector comes in a white with a silver panel on top. By the way, you can use both the control buttons on the projector and the remote control. There are also focus adjustment and Keystone correction wheels on the top of the projector. The lens on the front has a protective cover. Here we also see the I/O receiver for the remote control. The second I/O receiver is on the back, as well as speaker and air inlet. The air outlet is on the left side. You know, the projector doesn't have many connectivity options, but 3.5mm audio, AV, two USB ports and HDMI should be enough to connect external devices. The power input is on the right side of the projector. As I said before, a tripod comes in the kit, so it is not a surprise that the projector has a standard mounting screw on the bottom. However, the projector can also be placed on a table because it has 4 rubberized feet. Overall, Salange P92H projector looks very reliable. In addition, the silver panel on top adds some style, doesn't it? Now, let's turn on the projector and look at the multimedia system. Although the Salange P92H has a simple multimedia system, I think it is based on Android OS, because when you connect to Wi-Fi, the interface is very similar to Android. However, you still cannot install any additional apps on this projector. On the home screen, we see the time, as well as 4 sections, such as iOS mirroring, Android mirroring, signal source, and settings. There are also Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and volume icons in the upper right corner. In the left corner, you will find the wallpaper. You can go here and select picture or home screen. Now let's take a look at the settings menu. There is network and Bluetooth settings, but we will talk about them a little later. The projection settings include cast mode, rotation, zoom, vertical correction, horizontal correction, quadrangle correction, and Keystone reset. By the way, one of the main features of Salange P92H projector is 4P and 4D Keystone correction. Very few budget projectors have this function. In the general settings, we can select a timing shutdown, change a language, and time zone. It looks like the projector supports software updates. My Projector OS is the latest version, but an update may come out in a while, and it can be installed online or locally. Now let's test the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. The Salange P92H projector supports Wi-Fi for wireless screen mirroring. First, you need to connect the projector to Wi-Fi network. Go to the settings, network settings, then select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password for it. From the home screen, you can go to Android mirroring and select phone, tablet or laptop. In the iOS mirroring, there is a choice between Mac and iPhone, iPad. I will be connecting my iPhone to a projector. Now you just need to take your smartphone, open the screen mirroring menu and select the projector. It's done. Now you can watch TikTok, Instagram and YouTube on the big screen. As for the Bluetooth connection, you can connect an external speaker or headphones to the projector. For that, go to the Settings, Bluetooth Settings, and select your device. However, I think for a small room, you don't need to connect external speakers, because the built-in speakers are pretty good. Let's listen to some songs. Before we talk about image quality, I want to measure the fan noise level. So the noise level near the Salange P92H projector is about 47 decibels. At a distance of about 1 meter, the noise is 39 decibels. You know, it is a pretty quiet projector. Finally, let's talk about image quality. First, you should know that I placed the projector about 2 meters away from the wall. The size of the screen I have is about 70 inches. However, the maximum screen size can be 300 inches. Salange P92H projector has a Full HD native resolution. The image is clear, and you can even read small text. But part of the screen is out of focus. When you adjust the focus, you can choose to have the bottom of the screen in focus, while the top blurred, or vice versa. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the whole screen in focus. I tried to make the center of the screen in focus, but the edges get a little blurry. You know, Salange P92H is positioned as a home projector, not an office projector, so it is not a big problem. The main thing is that the projector has a very good colors and high brightness. Let's watch some videos.
Oh, Sage, they have the worst land possible.
Sage, no big deal.
What's going on? No.
Behind and picked, intercepted by the 49ers. Off the arm of Tyreek Hill and into. It might have been 2.
We'll review that when they get a moment. Fournier for 3.
However, the name suggests that they are designed for running. In this video, we will unbox and test Mojave Run Plus phone conduction headphones earbuds Redmi Buds 4. The new earbuds are called Redmi Buds 4 Active.
OnePlus is here with a new feature-packed mid-range, the OnePlus Nord 3.
Cut the price down. And like I said, especially here in the US, where our sub $500 phones are few and far between, Pixel 7a is
By the way, the projector has a brightness of 12,000 lux. It is really good for a budget projector. You can even watch sports games or play games in a room with lighting.
Pulling away.
And holidays past. a little bit too far in front of Adebayo. Either that or Adebayo wasn't ready for it.
Well, 4 minutes to go. It's time for Rudy. Rudy has to get back in the game, and he is. It had to be.
Salange P92H is a good budget home projector with rich colors and good brightness, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection, and decent speakers. By the way, the advantage of the modern LCD projector is a very long lamp life. Salange P92H has a lamp lifetime of 60,000 hours. It is almost 7 years of non-stop 24/7 operation. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. See you soon!